So today we're going for a walk up Moel Fenlli. Nothing too strenuous, just testing out all our new GoPro that we got for our wedding from Phil. Thank you very much, Phil. So yeah, it's a lovely day, nice and sunny.
Frosty.
Bit frosty though. We will get back to running, but we're not very well today. We've both got the lurgy. I'm starting to feel a bit better, just a bit of sore throat left, but my wife here is a bit sniffly.
Very sniffly.
Very sniffly. So yeah, go for a nice little walk up the hill. When we get to the top, we'll be in sun for a bit until we go around the other side and come back down again. Up and up and up. So as well as the new GoPro footage, hopefully we'll be using the drone.
Hopefully.
Fly over here and we'll be giving you some good aerial shots of the area, just so gives a bit more context to the hill we're walking up. We've used the drone a few times, but we're not very good with it.
Need more practice.
Definitely need more practice. We've already crashed it once into a lake and had to send it off for repairs. I've only had it a few months and hardly ever used it. Nice icy path. And loads of steps. Nearly at the top now. Into the sun. Starting to warm up a bit. Hopefully we'll be back to running again in a couple, like next week possibly. Hopefully. That's the plan. As long as we're both healthy. We've got all our big tasks out of the way. And as long as we're better, normal service should resume, I'd imagine. Yeah, but the reason for the lack of footage and videos recently, over the last year really, is we started buying a house this time last year, was it?
Yeah.
February, March time last year. And we had to sell Serin's flat and my house in the process, and then buy our new house together. And we started in February, March, and we finally completed in November. whilst all that was going on, purchasing a house, we were also arranging a wedding. Our wedding. And we got married in last week, middle of February. So now all that complicated and headache, stressful stuff is out of the way. We can go back to running and enjoying scenes like this. Once we're fit and well. Oh, this is all those patches we saw. You know, when we were, you could see all the patches up the hill last week when we came with everyone else, and they were asking what those patches are on the hills. This is what they are. Just random flattened stuff. Don't know how it's happened. I don't know if we're on the path here. Don't feel like it, does it? There's the path. And on our way back down now. Just a nice short walk. What was that, about a half hour, 40 minutes? Not much. Yeah, 2 or 3 kilometers, something like that. We'll check when we get back. But just wanted to stretch our legs and get some fresh air. Hopefully blow away the bugs and the illness. Although it's normally very windy up here, and it's completely still and clear. It's a glorious day. And that's our nice leisurely walk of Moel Fenlli complete. I've fallen over twice. Theron has fallen over 0 times. I blame my ice bugs that are designed for icy weather, which we're walking in today. So they don't work. Rubbish.